tackle bar. No external mic again, so if the wind's bad, I apologize. We're trying some new stuff. See how it works. We've got Captain Beppy. We're thinking that because we have 240 horses of power in this boat, we're trolling way too fast. So we've got this thing. If it works, I'll leave the description in the link below, or a link in the description below. What it is a big old sock, apparently. I don't know exactly how this is going to work. It's packed pretty tight. It won't come out. There we go. This one is the 36-inch.
Whoa.
The idea is,
wow,
is that it will drag behind, fill up with water, drag behind the boat, slow us down a little bit while we're trolling. This is what we hook onto. So let's see how it works. Things kind of around now. It says not to use this for trolling, but we're going to do it anyway. Oh yeah, filled right up. Slowed us right down almost to a stop. Cool.
I like it.
I think you're supposed to pull this yellow strap and it's supposed to
do something.
Get the water out or something. I don't know.
We'll read more instructions.
But hey, we don't follow recipes. We don't follow instructions.
Wow.
Definitely slows us down. Probably not doing too much for the gas mileage, but for trolling, I think we're good. All right, there's number 2.
Woo! Number 1 for Beppy.
Beppy's number 1. The skunk is gone.
Yeah!
You want to turn him loose?
Yes. Here? Oh. Yes? I'm trying to film at the same time. Hello, fishy.
Just a baby. Get the baby one.
Go home and be free. Bye. Oh, Mr. Fishers. Yeah.
You're not really happy about coming in right now. Another little tiny one.
No, it's all right, we'll take him.
He's not as small as the smallest one I caught.
No, he's not.
He's not.
He's not even in puberty yet. Uh-oh.
Maybe.
Oh. I think you've already let go of our...
Nice.
She once pledged to Ira that she was a fisherwoman. She has now proved herself that she really is. Okay, we'll let you go.
Bethy's on again. In front of the boat.
I see him.
Get towards the front of the boat if you can. Hold on.
Hiding under the boat.
Oh, we got him.
I didn't do that very well. He's gone. I didn't do that well at all, but.
He's another baby. Release your bail. Okay, hold on. Nicely done. Alright, you want to turn him loose? Yeah, let's turn him loose.
Go. Here you go, buddy.
Yeah, you do. We may have to just lift him into the boat. All right, our first double. All right.
Come on, you little fucker. Don't find me.
Release your bail.
Alright.
Woo woo! Our first double.
Woohoo! Yeah, baby. That's a good, decent sized one.
Yeah, he's a little fatty. There he goes.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Yoo-hoo! That's super fun.
Could be fighting another fish. What? Is he swimming towards you? About the same size as the rest of them. Get over here. See you later. About where you're at.
Called it.
Yes, you did. Oh, God. All right, number 12, little one. Grow up. See you later. This one might be the best one yet.
Oh, it sounds like it.
Yeah, there he is. Yeah, he's about the same size as the rest of them.
A little pricier.
Yeah, he's just a little madder than the rest. I'll just bring him in.
You caught him funny. You caught him on the top of his head.
Yeah, that's why he's fighting so weird. All right, come on, big guy. Get in the boat. Oh yeah, he's decent size. All right, number 13. Oh yeah, you're still pissed off, aren't you? No, don't you roll over like that. Come on now. Come on. There you go. There he goes. Pretty good weekend out here, you know. We caught 14 fish. The hotel was good except for some cockroaches. The ramp is a little dicey, but we'll deal with that in a minute. Come on in here. Number 14, another little one. All right, buddy. Thank you. You good? Ready to swim? You can do it. Get those gills full of. Come on, you're not hurt that bad. There you go. You ready? There you go. Here's the weapons we used this weekend. I don't know what it's called, but it worked. And here's the other one. They weren't monsters, but they were fun. Till next time, hopefully the water will come up a little bit. A little choppy out here tonight.